trying to earn $10,000 a month on Skool. So it's been a while since we've done an update on this, so I'll share pretty much everything, where we're up to, where we've been, and what we're doing moving forward with this. So let's come over here and we'll start right at the beginning. So if you don't know, there's a platform called Skool.com. On here, you can build your own community and you can monetize your knowledge, skills, experience, interests, and hobbies. So I've currently got this community over here called Faceless Freedom, and then I've also got another one down here called AI Income Lab. And it's not just digital things that you can be creating within these communities. So I'll show you. So if I go, if I go back over here to the Discover Communities on here, people have got communities in literally everything. You can see we've got someone over here doing pickleball, we've got someone over here doing the lady challenge, we've got a dance academy, with even Tom Aspinall, the UFC heavyweight, is on here, acting lab, school of mentors, and you've got all of these different categories. I say, okay, so you can come on here and create a community. Now the reason why we did this was, number one, the cost of it. It's very low barrier to entry compared to other methods of earning online. So Skool, you can start your own community for $9 a month, which is ridiculous value, okay? So we set up this one over here called Faceless Freedom. It's all geared around this over here. Earning online without showing your face, without wasting, hours on complex tech, and without any experience. So the concept is this. We share with the community different faceless methods for earning online. And at this moment in time, we have got 9 different methods. So method 1 is building a faceless YouTube channel. Method 3 is faceless Facebook marketing. You can see we've got 9 methods. And how it works in any one of these, if we go into it, we start at the top with a 7-day promise. And the reason why we do this is we want our members to know exactly what is happening when they come into the classroom. So in this one over here, this is the promise. If you go through this, this is what you will achieve within the next 7 days. Then we give them an overview of this, and then we basically go through the method. So this method, I did this as a case study, and we went from 0 to getting my Facebook page monetized, and I show everything inside of here, okay? And then we also go through, the setup of this, different softwares that our community can use. These are all custom GPTs that are built for the community in here. So previously we was charging $10 a month, and what I was finding with it was incredibly frustrating. So what would happen is people would come in, they'd get really excited about this. They would comment on the intro post over here. You can see we've got 158 comments on this, and they'd come in, they'd get excited, and then after a week or so, they would disappear. You wouldn't see them, you wouldn't hear from them. Some of them had continued paying for a couple of months, but they were starting to drop off. So this is why we started going through the different classrooms, putting in the 7-day promise and guaranteeing what result they will get by going through this and taking action. We also added in step 1, step 2, and step 3. And again, this was so it wasn't overwhelming people. They'd come in, they could see what it was about, and by the end of step 3, they would know exactly which classroom to go in, how to monetize it, and how to be looking at evergreen niches and topics. So that is where we're up to at this moment in time. And we've recently, I'll show you it as well. What we've recently done as well is, if I view it as a member, we made it free. So what happens now is people come into Faceless Freedom, it's free, and they get access to step 1, step 2, step 3. Then they also get access to method number 1, and they also get access to method number 2. And if I scroll further down the page here, they also get access to how to create image to video using AI. The done for you Reels Vault with 20,000 reels in, okay? So they get all of that for free. And in each one, even though it's free, they are getting full walkthrough of the method, how to use it, etc. Okay? And then what we've done is we've given our members 2 different options. So if people come in, they come in on the free option, hopefully they'll look at these other different methods and think, maybe I want to start my own Skool community, or maybe I want to go into faceless digital marketing. They've got 2 different options. So option number 1 is they could buy the actual classroom for a certain price. So this example it is currently $10 a month, $10 a one-time fee. Or they can come on here and you see down here where it says unlock with premium. If they click on that, it then opens up and you can see these are two different price plans. We've got 0 and we've also got $10. So for $10 a month, it gives them access to everything within the community. So if I come out of here and I go back over to the classroom, now let me get rid of this. So you can see once somebody upgrades to $10 a month, they then get access. Every classroom basically opens up for them. They get instant access to everything. So I'm hoping now we've broken it down into 3 sections. We have now got the 3 options so people can come in, learn more about it, get access to a couple of methods. We have got the one-time fee, so maybe people don't want to go through all the methods. They just want one-time access to this classroom over here. So they come in, they want maybe just access to this. Instead of paying $10 a month, they can pay a one-time fee. Or if they do decide to upgrade, it's $10 a month, and then they get access to everything that we have got in here. And I think we may potentially do the same with AI Income Lab, but this one over here, this community is all around earning online with AI. We only charge $5 a month for this one. The price point on this and for what they're getting access to seems pretty good, and we've not got as much classrooms in here as Faceless Freedom, but it's just something that we are growing in the background as well. So this is the current direction of it now and where we're going with it. I'll show you the income as well because it's dipped. So you can see over here, let me come into this, so you can see cash flow. So you can see here we peaked in November. So we did a grand in November, which was bloody brilliant because as you can see here, September, October, November, it all gradually increased. Then we had a number of people drop off in December, January, and February, which is frustrating because the content in here and what we're giving people access to, I know we could be charging a hell of a lot more than $10. We absolutely could do. So our aim or our goal with it, obviously, we want to get this up to 10k a month. That's the end goal. But the sort of short-term goal with this is getting people to actually take action. Because what was happening here is we went through this period of an upgrowth and people were coming in. But then what was happening is people were joining in September and there wasn't even taking action. There wasn't taking any action. I wonder if I can show you this without giving away too much detail. In fact, I guess I could just blare it out. So for example, it gives you an active day when they was active on the platform. It shows you when they joined your community and then it shows you when they banned. Okay, so this one over here, they joined in October. That's 6 months ago that they came into the community, and they're only on level 2, which means they've only interacted 5 times in 6 months within the community, which is crazy. And it's the same for this one over here. Joined in September, they're only a level 1, which means they haven't communicated, they've not interacted within the community at all, and they've not been active for 15 days. So this is an issue that we found people joining, getting excited, and then doing nothing with it. So by changing the classrooms and the format of this and adding in this 3-step process and also adding in the guarantee in every single classroom, the 7-day promise, we're hoping now we're going to start getting people take action. Because it's great people signing up and joining and paying 10 quid a month, but then they don't do anything and they just randomly stop, quit after 3 months. We're never going to be moving forward and growing this into what I would like it to be. So that is a quick update for you on trying to build this up to 10k a month. Any questions, do let me know.